Hey, it's your friend Juan here, and this is a quick demo video of MailScriptX. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how this will help you to get more sales from email marketing, how this will create high converting emails with one click, and also it's important to say that you can sell this as a service on sites like Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork, and many more. So the first step here is logging to the software. And then you will have this awesome dashboard here, and all you need to do is click create email. Okay, so this works for any niche, any product or service. Okay, so basically maybe you are selling supplements, maybe you are selling softwares, maybe you are selling trainings, whatever. Okay, this works for any niche and works for any product or service. So the first step here is answer these 5 basic questions. So the first here, what's the name of the product or service? So I will put here, for example, live real. Then what the product or service does. So for example, enables you to go live with any video that you have in multiple social media accounts, boosting your sales, traffic, and engagement. If you use social media, I highly recommend you to get it now. Then what's the main thing the product or service does? So go live with any video in social media. Which bonuses you are offering. So this is optional, but I highly recommend you use bonuses for people who purchase from you. Okay, so if you are offering bonuses for people, they will buy more from you, so you will get more sales. So that's the reason I highly recommend you offer bonuses for people who purchase from you. Okay, but this is optional. If you don't have any bonuses, you can left this blank. And then you will select if this is a software, a training, a service, or any other product. Maybe it's a supplement, you will want to use product here. But this one here, it's a software. Then I select the angle. I have 3 powerful angles here. I will select hurry prices rising. And all I need to do is click make email. And then boom, I have a high converting email created for me here that I can use to get sales from my email marketing. And I have the subject line, I have the body copy, and I can copy this subject line, I can copy this body and paste anywhere I want. So if I want to paste in my autoresponder, I can do it, or whatever. Okay. Also, you can manage your emails here, so you can view, you can delete, and all that stuff. So this is how MailScriptX works. It's very powerful, it's a good solution, and I'm gonna see you on the other side.